Hello, friends. Today is the time for unboxing Alba Ladies watch. This bears the model number Ah7bq5x1. This is asterisk blue model. I got it from Amazon for around 6,000 rupees with the discount. On Alba website, it costs around 7,000 rupees. This is special because this uh, would be the mostly the cheapest available watch with sapphire crystal. I just wanted to get this watch for my wife, so we'll just unbox this and check how's the watch. So it comes with the sponge layer. Yes, the watch comes with this classic pillow with some tags mentioned. We'll come to the watch later. It comes with the Alba guarantee booklet with multiple languages mentioned, and then it has the warranty card, which is filled by the watch dealer and sent to me. Yes. Okay, so this I got it on Amazon with some seller which got shipped from Mumbai or so. Yes, now we'll come to the watch. I'll just remove these tags and these stickers. Yes, guys, so this is the watch, the Psycho asterisk blue variant. It has a very good steel case, excellent high quality finish, super luster finish. And then yes guys, I just got this watch because of this dial with the sapphire crystal. This comes with the sapphire crystal, it is clearly mentioned here. Yes, and 5-bar water resist. At the back you can see the watch Alba. Then it is mentioned some model name with VJ22. Yes, it comes with Japanese quartz movement VJ22 and stainless steel, sapphire crystal, and 5-bar or 50-meter water resist. So it comes with this beautiful clasp. Wow, see the finish, it's very good. Even the operation is good. Yeah, this is it guys. It comes with a very good hour and minute marker with the seconds needle, which is in copper color, and it has this a fine silver circle which mentions the seconds 5, 10, 15, and at hour clock position 3 it has the date marker. That's it. I got this by seeing the pictures from the website. This is blue, but I don't know what these watchmakers are, or even the Alba is so very popular company, and these watches are not the affordable for everyone. These are little expensive watches, but you see the picture I'll show you on the computer. This is not only in my computer, I saw this watch in many websites or computer which has very bright blue. Can you see this? Just by seeing it's wow. But when I see the actual model, actual watch, it's very dull compared to the pictures. I don't know if these manufacturers are seeing this They have to improve it. And the case size is 30 millimeter diameter and 36, I think 36 millimeter lug to lug, and with 18 millimeter, probably it's 18 millimeter case size. It's a good watch. Nevertheless, I still worry because this is the color. It's wow. And this is okayish for me now. Just we'll try adjusting the date and the time. Yes, if you are moving up with one step crown removed outside, the dates are moving around very smooth. We'll pull another level to adjust the watch timing. Yes, it's smooth, but as you can see, I don't know, it has a very free movement. Can you see? I'm moving it around, but the watch hands are not connecting. But after this, yes, it's connecting and it's smooth. Okay, so this is the unboxing and just basic review of this Alba Ladies watch. Thanks for watching, guys. Any questions, comment in the comment section below. Thanks. Good day.